So what's the best way to get the Canva slides, those beautiful slides that you've created, into Curipod so that you can Curify them? I'm going to show you a couple different options here. Because with technology, it's not a one-size-fits-all. First, you're going to go to curipod.com, sign up for a free account if you don't have one, and then come over here and click on Create Lesson. Go to your Canva account and click on the design that you want to Curify. Head over to the share button and you're going to go to download, then PDF, and click on download. Head back over to Curipod and click down to upload, drag and drop, or click to select the presentation. I'm going to grab it out of my download folder. Once it all is uploaded here, you are going to add the 40 slides to the presentation and it will go ahead and add those slides. The first one might not add a slide, so you might want to just delete that one. There are a whole bunch of different generators that you can use. You can go through Write More, Reading Comprehension, Vocabulary and Grammar. Students receive AI feedback. I kind of love this. This personalized feedback is one of my favorite, so I might just add that into this lesson. You're going to put down the topic and the grade level. I'm using AI use in education for professional development for adults. Now click Do the Magic. It will come up with some options. This gave me one option. You can add it right here. And then if you want to, you can actually do any kind of editing. Also, if you don't love what it came up with, you can always regenerate. Or click on Create Your Own to be able to make your own engaging slide. The next generator I'm going to choose is this Write, Feedback, Repeat. This one gives them the AI generated feedback just like the last one, but it also gives them a moment to reflect on the feedback before attempting to answer again. I'm going to have the topic of AI in education again and professional development adult as the grade. So what you would do to add this personalized feedback open question is you can click on whichever slide you want it to go in between. So if I clicked on slide 4, it would go between slide 4 and 5. And I could press the plus button and you see it got entered there. Then I could also add the open question if I wanted to. I would also add that personalized feedback again so that it says, let's do this one more time to see if there was any change in their answer. So I want to show you how this works at this point from the teacher end and the student end. As the teacher, you're going to click Present. And the students are going to get this handy dandy code. They can use the QR code or this URL. And let me get out of that part so that I can go up to a tab and show you the student version. So the student gets to put in their name. They don't have to put in their whole name if you're afraid of privacy issues. Press Submit. And they actually get a little fake name to be represented within the Curipod. So nobody knows who they are when they write their answers. So students will be looking at the main screen and you'll go to one of the Curified slides. This one asks the question, how do you think artificial intelligence can be used to improve learning experiences in the classroom? You click the play button and it sets them up to get ready. Ready, set, and the students see this on their end. So they're going to type in their answer. Okay, I put a quick answer here. Students will hit submit. On the teacher side, this is what we see, and then we're going to click give feedback. And this is the feedback. This is the feedback that the student gets. Great answer, and it kind of talks a little bit more about what the student answered as and whether or not there should be more details given or not. All students' answers will be posted, but there will be no identifying material for them. You can move on in the slides until you get to the next Curipod slide. And again, press play. Students are going to answer this question. It looks like this on the student side. Student answers and presses submit. On the teacher side, click give feedback. All right, this is the feedback. Moving on, it says, what did you learn from the feedback? So press play and give them time to respond. And the student will click submit. The teacher is going to hit results. And if you're afraid of what students will say, there's something here that you can use. It's a moderation tool. You can open this on another screen or your phone, and you can actually see all of the incoming responses before posting it to the shared screen. Then you have students answer this once again to reflect, and students answer it here. Students will press submit. Teacher will give feedback. And this is what it looks like on the student's end. Now I'm going to go through the rest of this really quick so I can get to the last slide. And on the last slide, you can end the lesson. Obviously, I would add a lot more Curipod slides than that, but I want you to see that you get data for each activity. So each time a student responds, you get all the information and how they responded and what the AI actually responded back to them, that feedback. You can also decide that you want to see the real names on your end. This is something that is just for teachers. The students will not be seeing this part. Another great part of this is that you can export that data or you can share it and view results. So this would be great if you work on a team or you need to send this information to your administrator. Now for the other way you can use Canva in Curipod. Go to Create Lesson. In the tools, go ahead and slide down to Media. And then you're going to click Canva for an app smash. You're going to paste the link here. It shows you exactly what to do, but I'll show you. So back to Canva, you're going to go to Share, then down to where it says More. Then you're going to go to Embed, click Embed, and then copy and paste this Smart Embed link. You're going to paste it right here and click Apply. Now you have added this, which has all of the slides within it. So it's not separate slides here, within one of the Curipod slides. So what you would do when you present is you would actually just click within the slide to go through. This is not my favorite option because you can't put Curipod slides in between each of the slides. But if you have a shorter slideshow and you wanted to do the Curipod slides after, that would be probably the fastest way. To add Curipod slides, you just add new, and here are a bunch of different options. Again, you can add these options with Create Your Own or with Generate with AI. So let's say we wanted to do something that was a brain break. That's kind of fun. We could do Would You Rather. And then click Do the Magic after you put in the topic. So this is kind of a funny one. Again, there are multiple ways to use Curipod with your Canva slides. It just depends on your preference. I hope this was helpful and you start Curifying your slides. Share, like, comment, and follow for more tips and tricks on how to use AI to engage students.